Thanks, Melinda. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. Again, I'm coming to you from my home as I'm practicing a social distancing, rather. It has been a chilly, kind of cool day, at least for this time of year, but better than yesterday. At least it was dry. At least we've seen some sunshine. The only thing we've had to really put up with is this still chilly northwesterly breeze. It's been a little windy at times. And again, with that wind coming out of the northwest, a little cooler than normal. Average highs usually around 70 or so. We're definitely below that today. Most of us topped off in the 50s, but I was still able to get outside and get my yard work done. I've seen neighbors mowing the lawn too, so hopefully you got out. I know the grass is kind of wet. It's kind of difficult, but at least we've got this one good day. We've got a few more hours where we're going to stay dry. Right now, most of us are in the 50s and 60s. Now, we've seen abundant sunshine today. You can still see the sun right there on our Southwest Virginia Community College camera. The only thing is, though, you can see some clouds that have started to develop too. Now, we do look to stay dry overnight, I'm thinking, but that cloud cover will continue to flow in, and it will increase rapidly as we head through early tomorrow morning. Some rain on the way to end the work week. Why? We've got a cold front that's getting ready to pull into the area, an area of low pressure along that boundary too. So I'm thinking by late morning, early afternoon, that's when we'll really start to see the rain spread across the area. And we're looking at widespread, pretty steady rainfall through most of our Friday. Some chilly air on the backside of this system. If you look closely, you can see some snow starts to spread down the mountains by Friday night. So let's take a close look at Futurecast. Overnight tonight, again, not much happening. We will see increasing clouds, especially after midnight. Temperatures tonight bottoming out in the 40s. The system has slowed down a bit. Earlier, it looked like it was going to be raining by sunrise, maybe pushed back now a few hours, but no matter which way you slice it, it's going to be wet the majority of the day. Here we are at 11 a.m. Rain has developed, and we're going to see this steady, widespread rain pretty much on and off the entire day. Now notice we've got some yellows in there. We'll have some moderate downpours, but most of it is green. That means we're going to see some lighter rain, maybe a ½ inch to an inch at best. So we're not worried about any widespread flooding issues, but we still could have some poor drainage areas get a little high with the water. So we'll have to watch that, but no severe threat either. We're just going to be too cool. Temperatures for most will be in the 50s. And then look what happens tomorrow night. Cold air surges in behind this front, making it feel wintry. We're talking upper 20s, low 30s, and a few snowflakes. I'll back it up. A few snowflakes possible into early Saturday. Now at max, a dusting to a ½ inch is what we're expecting. This is not going to be any significant snow, and it's going to melt very quickly because the ground's very warm, but still so chilly for this time of year. To recap, again, temperatures tonight in the 40s, tomorrow rain, some wind around too, and temperatures will only be in the 50s. We could actually get close to record lows, if not break them, at least Friday night. Saturday night's going to be a cold one too behind that front, but we look to see some sun on Saturday. It's just going to be chilly. Finally, we do get a warm-up Sunday, and that will continue to be the trend, thankfully, into next week. Hey, stick with us. We'll be right back right after this break.